Hello everyone, welcome to Fab Dentist. In this video, we are going to discuss what is tooth wear, attrition, abrasion, erosion, and abfraction. So, without getting delayed, let's get started. What is tooth wear? Tooth wear has been defined as loss of tooth substance resulting from abrasion, attrition, erosion, acting singly or concurrently, that is abfraction. Now, what is attrition? It is a physiologic wearing away of the tooth as a result of tooth to tooth contact, as in mastication and parafunctional habit such as bruxism and clenching. In case attrition is severe, the enamel can be completely worn away, leaving underlying dentines exposed, resulting in increased risk of dental caries and dentinal hypersensitivity. Here, it is a classic case of mandibular anterior attrition. You can see this. Now, what is abrasion? Pathological wearing away of the tooth substance through some abnormal mechanical process or friction between the teeth and exogenous agent like hard toothbrush, abrasive toothpaste, intensive horizontal brushing technique leads to abrasion. One should know what are the causes for abrasion. Hard toothbrush and abrasive toothpaste, intensive horizontal brushing techniques leads to abrasion. Now, what are the clinical manifestation for abrasion? Abrasion occur in cervical area of the tooth, more wide than deep. Premolar cuspids are commonly affected. It is usually manifested as V-shaped or wedge-shaped ditch on the root side with gingival recession. This is a case of abrasion. You can see that abrasion occur on the cervical line of the tooth, more wide than deep. V-shaped notch present mainly affect the bicuspids and the canines. Now, what is erosion? It is an irreversible loss of dental hard tissue by chemical process without any bacterial action. Remember this, guys. इरोजन जो होता है वो एक इरिवर्सिबल लॉस होता है डेंटल हार्ड टिश्यूज़ का बाय द यूज़ ऑफ केमिकल एजेंट, नॉट बाय बैक्टीरियल एक्शन. ठीक है. Now, what are the causes for erosion? Dissolution of mineralized tooth surface by acid that are introduced in oral cavity through vomiting, acid beverages, citric foods, and extrinsic acids. Now, location. नो ऑक्लूजल कॉन्टैक्ट. इरोजन जो है वो ऑक्लूजल कॉन्टैक्ट्स में नहीं होता है. ब्रॉड कॉन्कैविटी, इंसाइजल ग्रूविंग एंड ट्रांसलूसेंसी, डेंटाइनल हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी. दिस इज अ केस ऑफ इरोजन. नाउ abfraction, loss of both enamel and dentine at cervical area of the teeth by mechanical loading forces such as swallowing, chewing, and parafunctional habits leads to abfraction. Now, fracture in the cervical region, fracture thin enamel rod, U-shaped or wedge-shaped defect at the buccal and the labial cervical region. अफेक्शन जो है बेसिकली यू शेप्ड या फिर वेज शेप्ड होता है जो कि तुम्हें बक्कल या फिर लेबियल सर्वाइकल रीजन पे मोस्टली पाया जाता है. दिस इज़ अ केस ऑफ अफेक्शन. नाउ मैनेजमेंट. देयर आर सम बेसिक मैनेजमेंट to prevent the tooth wear. Some of the management are demonstrate how to brush atraumatically and effectively, how to use soft toothbrush, non-abrasive toothpaste, it prevents the abrasion. Oral habits such as fingernail biting, pipe smoking, tobacco chewing, bruxism and clenching should be avoided. ठीक है. एंड रेस्टोरेटिव मैनेजमेंट शुड बी परफॉर्म्ड इफ देयर आर केस ऑफ अब्रेजन, इरोजन और अफ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. थैंक यू. होप डू लाइक इट. प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियो as it motivate me to make more video.